Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take animated pictures, that is GIF format, GIF format picture in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the camera in your phone and here go to the settings icon of camera and then you got to choose the option swipe shutter button 2. It is already set to take burst shot. Okay, if you click it, you have other option create GIF. Just select it. You got to keep the settings in create GIF. Then if you swipe down in the shutter button and hold for few seconds, it will capture GIF format. Okay, GIF format picture. Okay, it has some animation. See here, this is the camera mode and this is the shutter button. This round white color is shutter button, and what you have to do is swipe and hold for few seconds. Okay, and yes, GIF format, animated format is captured, and go to the picture that you took. See here, it has some animation. So in this way you can easily take animated GIF format picture in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.